gosh, hello. My name is Christian Scott, also known as Blackbean_CMS. I am 22 and I live in a small city here in Nebraska, and this is my art. When my work is finished, I love to give my creations names and let the viewer fabricate a life or story, almost like a never-ending cycle of creating. For instance, her name is Miss Bubbles because she looks so bubbly. She is blind in love and she is gorgeous. As you can see, I mainly do oil pastels because I love them. They are so juicy, so creamy, and so easy to use. Now, a question I get a lot of the time is, why do I use oil pastels? The reason why I love oil pastels so much is because it's almost like painting, but you have more control. With that being said, I did kind of coin the term break your fingers because you do sometimes with different brands have to press really hard with the oil pastels. Ergo, you gotta break your fingers. I don't normally have an idea in mind before I start a piece. For instance, this one started at 2 a.m. I just wanted to make a very colorful, almost like a mask. And with a little help from my friends in the comments, we named him Pedro, and he is beautiful and colorful. Color is also a very important aspect in my artwork because it's a way for me to experiment. I can't remember who said this to me or where I heard it, but when you see blue, it's not just blue. When you see brown, it's not just brown, etc. There is so many different colors that make up one whole tone. The lines I etch in my artwork are also very important to me. I call them my little scratchy scratch. It adds another layer of depth and movement, character, and most importantly, some texture. And this is a portrait of my idol, Miss Frida Kahlo. Her work has always spoke to me and inspired my own portraiture. And I don't know what it is, but her eyes in her portraits have always stared deep inside my soul. And one day I want people to have that same reaction when they look at my artwork. I want people to look at my artwork and say, now I want to do something. Now I want to create. That is my main motivation. I want people to be inspired. I want people to create and never stop creating. Whether it's a masterpiece, a doodle, or even writing your grocery list all fancy, just break your fingers and do your best. I'm a firm believer that anyone can make art because skill is learned, but creativity is a gift.